Hello, class. My name is Vanessa Alvarez, and today I will be presenting you my philosophy of success. Um, the quote that I chose today is "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible" by Audrey Hepburn. And the reason I chose this quote is because I really believe that nothing is impossible when you are determined to complete your goals. I've also included here my life role, my life purpose, and my life goal. My life role is to become a social worker. My life purpose is to help others and make my daughter proud. My life goal is to make my community a better place. Um, and now we're moving on to my definition of success. My definition of success is feeling accomplished with all your goals in life, which to me are having a happy family relationship, good health, and a great career. Now we're going to move on to some of my struggles and solutions. Some of the struggles and solutions that I learned in this class. So some of the struggles that I have is time management, and a solution that I learned in this class is to create a Google Calendar to keep track of things that I have to do to help me better manage my time. And I've been using it, and I've noticed it has really helped me. It keeps me have everything more organized, and it's really good. Another struggle that I have is setting priorities. And the solution that I found for that is by making a to-do list. Um, making a to-do list and actually, writing everything down in order of importance, what's more important to the least important. And that way I can prioritize what I need to get done first and what can wait. Another struggle is making excuses. I notice that's a struggle that I deal with a lot. But I really need to stay focused and just complete my goals and don't let anything get in the way. So yeah, these are my struggles and solutions. And now we're going to move on to some of the assessments that I took in this class. One of the assessments that I took is the Rutgers Value Assessment, which defines that my values do confirm the career choice of social work, which is why I chose this career. And I also got my lowest two values were power and variety, which mean that in my career I do not care about having power or too much variety. And for the true color assessment, my results were gold, which means that I like to follow rules and regulations, and respecting authority tends to come naturally to me. I enjoy being a good citizen and being helpful as well. And I like to be punctual and organized and follow procedures and instructions. For the multiple intelligence assessment, my results were I am interpersonal, which means I have the ability of feeling intentions and motivations, and I tend to use both verbal and nonverbal to communicate with others. Now we're moving on to my motivations. My motivation is my daughter, as you guys can see here. She just recently graduated from high school, and I'm so proud of her. And that is our dog, Luke. He's turning 5 very soon. Well, anyways, I am very proud of her. She is the reason why I decided to go back to school. I want to make her proud, just as I am of her. Yeah, this is my little family. And to conclude my presentation, I just want to say I have learned a lot from this class, new things about myself through the assessments that I didn't know, and which I know are going to help me moving forward as far as making career choices. And I'm glad I took this class because I now have a better understanding about college and career options. Um, and this class really helped me decide that social work is what I really want to major in. So I'm glad I took the class and really figured out what I want to do. And just to conclude, I want to thank the professor and everyone else for watching. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.